Hi legends, the price of Bitcoin just continued to push to the upside. We had some volatility over the weekend, but still bullish momentum continuing here to the upside. In today's update, we will go and analyze the price of Bitcoin and see where's those possible rejection areas. Can we reject from where we are at the moment, or can we still expect upwards momentum? And then also legends, as per the thumbnail of this video, I'm also bullish on 𝗤𝗏. Currently, they are running an Olympics competition. Let me share my screen over here. By selecting the link down in the description, which I'll share with you in a moment, you can take part in the Bitcoin Census team, be part of the community where when we win, we will share a prize pool of $300,000. And on top of this, down in the description of this video, okay, 𝗤𝗏, you will get 15% cash back depending on how much money you deposit into your 𝗬cie account using 𝗤𝗏. Right, legends? Also, no KYC required. If you're an existing user that has used the link before to sign up and you deposit money into your 𝗬cie account while the competition is running, by the end of the competition, 15% of the amount of money that you've deposited into your 𝗬cie account will be airdropped back into your account. Right, legends, so for my community only, there are only 200 spots to qualify for this amazing 15% sign-up bonus by using the link down in the description, or if you're an existing user, you can go and select the link and you will get 15% cash back by either signing up today, or for the existing users that have used my link in the past, by transferring money into your 𝗬cie account, you will get 15% on top of the money that you've deposited, and you keep it there for the entire duration of the competition, which ends in 13 days from now. So legends, register today, put some money in the 𝗬cie account. Let's go and kick some butt together and share this prize pool of $300,000. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin together. Right, legends, looking at the price of Bitcoin over here, and I'm going to keep it simple and just focus here on the higher time frames for now. You can see when I take a FIP here from the high to the low that we've made over here, this is currently where we're getting a little bit of a reaction. It's also at the 0.88, and there's also an untapped weekly level over here. But then I also have this blue line. So this is definitely an area where we could potentially getting a rejection here to the downside. Another thing I want to point out over here is, legends, this blue line over here is basically the value area high of this entire range that we've been in up until now, and just waiting for that to load up, and you will see, legends, the value area high is currently another level where we could potentially expect a rejection, where we are finding resistance here by the 0.88. We have a weekly level, and then that value area high is just slightly above, and it's also in alignment with these two peaks over here. So I wouldn't be surprised if price shoots up once more and it gets a rejection for a possible short entry here to the downside. But legends, we also have to acknowledge that we are currently at the 0.88 and also at a weekly level. So when I zoom into smaller time frames here, you can see that we are currently struggling to break through this weekly level. So legends, what you would like to see here on the higher time frame, I won't go down lower than the 1 hour time frame, but you want to see on the 1 hour time frame, you want to see us not leave body of the candles above this weekly level, which could give us a little bit more upwards momentum, where we still have another weekly point of control at $71,000. So legends, you can see where we are currently rolling over at the moment. We've just left those wicks behind, so this could potentially be where price is going to slow down for a deeper correction. Also, another thing that I wanted to point out, legends, let's just go back here onto the 8 hour time frame. Take the brushes out the way. The deeper correction that I'm still waiting here for the price of Bitcoin, okay, and it could be happening very soon, or we could still get a little bit of upwards momentum from the areas that I've just identified, is that, legends, you can see for every pump we had a correction, okay. This correction corrected this pump, okay. This pump had its correction. This pump had its correction, and now, legends, what I'm waiting for is you want to see a correction, okay, a three-wave structure that's going to correct this entire impulse. And this could potentially be a great shorting area for momentum here to the downside, and potentially loading up those spot bags, expecting another explosive wave here to the upside. As per my live streams, I do go a little bit more in detail about the structure that I'm anticipating to happen here on the price of Bitcoin. Right, legends, so the question is, are we approaching the end of this entire impulse here to the upside, where we can still expect a deeper three-wave structure to the downside for a potential bounce and continued momentum here to the upside? So for now, legends, all we can do is observe the price reaction as we hit each resistance area, okay, we've just tapped the weekly level and we are currently struggling to break through. I want to see how we are going to react here. Proof of resistance, perhaps some bearish local CVD building up. Also, not closing any high time frame candles above the weekly level could give us a little bit more downwards momentum. And if we do find the strength to break out here, I want to see how we're going to react at the value area high, which is in confluence with these two pivots over here, and then also a possibility to reject here by this weekly point of control. So this area is quite critical, and it could be that turning point, okay, for Bitcoin to turn around and make a larger three-wave corrective structure here to the downside. From a bullish perspective, legends, I mean, we also just have to look at both sides of the coin. What if this impulsive wave here to the upside are not finished? Then I would like to see body of high time frame candles close above this weekly level to confirm continuation here to the upside. You break the level, you retest it as support, you break the next level, you retest it as support for continued momentum here to the upside. But for now, legends, it's all about just observing the price reaction as we hit each critical resistance level on the way up. Right, legends, during my live stream a little bit later, I will go into the smaller time frames and dissect the structure in a little bit more detail. Thanks for watching, legends. Hope you've enjoyed the alpha over here. Remember the bluffing competition, $300,000 up for grabs if our team wins, and also that 15% cash back for the money that you deposit into your futures account and keeping it there for the duration of the competition. And then, legends, until the next one, I'll see you in the next live stream. Cheers for now.